Okay. So this we've been back. You and I have been back to Grant. We've been back for 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Tolo's been back yesterday, one day.
This morning.
Yesterday morning. All right. So this past calendar year, we've been fortunate enough to travel and do these little week-long tours in Japan, and that's something that we I think any young musician, that's kind of our dream as Hawaiian musicians, and we're fortunate to have that opportunity. And one of the things that we do is we travel with different halau, and we get to experience different cities throughout the world, and we're super grateful for that. One of the things that me and Grant I guess are afforded is the fact that we look Japanese, and so we always get, look at these Japanese guys. That's me and Grant. Ekolu over here, Tolo-san over here, we call him the Brad Pitt, because anytime he rolls up into Japan, like, that's Brad Pitt right there. And so,
I don't think that's what it is.
That's exactly what it is.
Okay, thank you. I'll take it.
And so, so he hasn't been home. He hasn't been home to really comprehend this phrase. But this last week especially, when Ekolu-san sings in any given sense now, he wins over the hearts of not only myself and Grant, but everybody else in the world.
When he sings in Japan, it sounds like this.
Ekolu Chang, utate.
And so, our funny phrase now with Ekolu-san is Ekolu-san, utate, which means Ekolu-san, please sing. And
so at this time, we'd love to feature the voice and crooning sound of our dear friend Ekolu Chang.
All right, thank you for that beautiful introduction, Dane.
Welcome home.
Thank you.
We missed you.
We're gonna do a song that my uncle wrote. A song that sings the island of Molokaʻi. We actually recorded this song on our album as well. A song entitled Molokaʻi Sweet Home. I'm longing for your love. I'll gaze upon your silent shore, reminisce that sweet embrace of ginger. As New York City walls closing, I long for the touch of your hand. Molokaʻi, sweet home. So to rest your weary eyes, I miss your smiles and lullabies in the evening time. Been so long since I've been home. Miss the morning sunrise in the countryside. Gone so far to find my way. This time I think I'll stay with an island. Molokaʻi, Molokaʻi. Sweet home. Ooh. that sweet embrace of ginger. As New York City walls close in, I long for the touch of your name. Molokaʻi, sweet home. So to rest your weary eyes, I miss your smiles and lullabies in the evening time. It's been so long since I've been home. Miss the morning sunrise in the countryside. Gone so far to find my way. This time I think I'll stay with an island. Molokaʻi, Molokaʻi, sweet home. Ooh, Molokaʻi, sweet home.
That's Ekolu Chang.
It's so funny, I didn't know what utate meant.
Now it's
So they're saying this, and
We didn't either.
Yeah, we didn't either. But now I do.
I will never forget.
Now we all do.